In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. Whether you're editing a professional video or creating content to share with friends on social media, knowing how to export your finished project correctly is an essential skill. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you don't miss any important details. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your project in the best possible quality for your needs. If you're new to CapCut, it's a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool, and if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to create one and get started. Now let's dive in. First, start by opening your CapCut project. You can do this by either double-clicking the project file on your computer or selecting it from the recent projects list within CapCut itself. This gets you right into your workspace, ready to proceed. Once the project is open, play a few seconds of your timeline. This step is important because it lets you double-check that everything is in place and functioning as expected. Maybe you'll catch a small edit you want to tweak, or maybe it's all perfect. Either way, it's always good to make sure there are no surprises before moving on to exporting. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the CapCut window. You'll see the Export button. Click on it to begin the process of saving your project as a finished video. This is where the magic happens. Your hard work is about to turn into a polished video file. Next, in the Export panel that appears, select the Download option. This ensures that your completed video will be saved directly to your computer. This is the most straightforward and convenient method for accessing your finished project. Before you hit the final Export button, take a moment to review the export settings. These include the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate of your video. Each of these settings can impact the quality and file size of your video. For example, if you're planning to share the video on social media, you might choose a lower resolution to keep the file size manageable. But if your goal is a professional, high-quality presentation, you might want to select a resolution of 1080p or higher. Don't worry if you're unsure. CapCut provides default settings that work well in most cases, so you can stick with those if you aren't sure what to adjust. Once you've confirmed your settings, check the file location. This is where your exported video will be saved on your computer. It's a good idea to take note of this location now so you won't have to hunt for the file later. It saves time and avoids any confusion after the export process is complete. Now, go ahead and click the Final Export button, which you'll usually find at the bottom of the Export panel. Once you do, CapCut will begin rendering your video. Depending on the length and resolution of your project, this process may take some time. You'll see a progress bar that shows the current status of the export. This is a good moment to grab a coffee or stretch your legs while the rendering finishes. When the export is complete, locate your finished video file in the save location you checked earlier. From there, open the video file to verify that everything looks and sounds just as you expected. This is your final quality check to ensure the export process was successful and that your video is ready to share or use however you need. And that's it. You've successfully saved your project in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.